Hi there, this is our Colchester Triumph, 3-phase, older machine, older model. It's the round sort of headstock model. It's in very tidy condition for its age and ticks over nicely. It runs really nice and quiet, and all the bits and pieces are nice and free and easy to use. It's got the full length splash guard on the back. That light, I'm not sure how to switch that on, so that may not be working. Condition of the back is really tidy. One of the fixed steadies has been made up itself and one looks genuine. The end's tidy. It's got the coolant pump in there, which the previous owner said he'd reconditioned the genuine one. I can turn that on. That's it ticking over there, and I have actually put fluid in it and tested that, and that's working. Got the cupboards there, and this end's really tidy too. Okay, we'll start with the tailstock. It's really nice and free to use, and the locks feel good. Carriage is really free, feels nice. So is the cross slide. A little bit of play in that cross slide there, and the compound slide is nice and free. No play there. It's got the quick change on it. The fixed travelling steady there and coolant system. Bed condition for its age is on the V. It's in really good condition for its age, but it generally has got a few knocks and bruises as you would expect. Lead screw looks good. Okay, we'll start it up. I've got it in a slow range there. So it's got the start and also the brake on it. So that's the brake and that's working. And forward and reverse, so that's running in reverse now. So it's going in and out nice. Forward and reverse is working good, and the brake's working. And it's got the English and Imperial setting here for the feeds. That's going in and out nice. Different feed speeds. And here, and that's the one direction and then the other. So those feeds are ticking over nicely. I'll engage that lead screw, which is heading towards you now, that way now, and disengage and then change the direction and then bring it back towards me, so it's coming back this way now. So that's the lead screw. I'll take that out. I'll run you through the feeds. So that there is the cross slide going in. And now the carriage going that way. And I'll change those directions. And now the carriage is coming towards me. And cross slide is now coming out towards you. So those are the feeds there and the lead screw. And that's in its slowest gear there, so I'll run you through the gears. That's 50 RPM, and that's 136, and now 256, and the lower range 96. And 201, and 531, and 381, and last one, which is 1000. So those are the gear ranges, the feeds, that coolant. Not much else to show you really. So the condition for its age is very good and it ticks over not bad.